Good morning, children. Today we will discuss a new lesson and its name is Karan and Meenu's Home. What is the name of the lesson? Karan and Meenu's Home. This is the story about two students or two children. Their name is Karan and Meenu. Okay, what's the name of the children? Karan and Meenu. Okay, let's read the lesson. Take your textbook. Open page number 22. Okay, look here. This is Karan and Meenu's home. Can see this? Can you see this? Okay, let's read. Before that, you have a textbook work there to do the work. Okay, what are these rooms for? And bedroom. Bedroom is why using of bedroom? What's the use of bedroom? Sleeping. Kitchen. What is the use of kitchen? Cooking. Bathroom. What's the use? Bathing. Okay, write the answers here. Okay. Now read the lesson first paragraph. Look at your textbook. This is Karan and Meenu's house. There is a garden in front of the house. Karan loves gardening. He waters the plants every day. Close to the house are two tall trees. One is on the right side and other is on the left side. Okay. This is Karan and Meenu's house. This is Karan and Meenu's house. And there is a garden in front of their house. So, in Karan's house, there is a garden in front of the house. Okay. In front of the house, there is a garden. And Karan loves gardening. Karan loves gardening. That means he loves to doing the water the plants and plant the new types of trees. Okay, so the Karan loves gardening and he waters the plants every day. Karan waters the plant. What is watering? Waters the plants every day. Every day he loves to waters the plants. Close to the house. Okay. Close to the house, there are two tall trees. So, two tall trees are there. In close to Karan's house, there are two tall trees and one is on the right side and other is on the left side. Okay. So, this is Karan and Meenu's home. In front of the house, there is a garden and two tall trees are close to Karan's house. One right side and one left side. And Karan loves to watering the plants. He loves gardening. Okay. Once again, want to read the first paragraph. Listen. This is Karan and Meenu's house. There is a garden in front of the house. Karan loves gardening. He waters the plants every day. Close to the house, there are two tall trees and one is on the right side, other is on the left side. Okay. Next page. Page number 23. Here. There are 3 bedrooms in Karan's house. How many bedrooms in Karan's house? 3 bedrooms in Karan's house. One is for Karan. Second is for Meenu, his sister. Okay. So, Meenu is Karan's sister. And the third is for their parents. The third room for their parents. Each bedroom has a bathroom next to it. So, in Karan's house, there are 3 bedrooms. One for Karan. Second one for Meenu. Who is Meenu? Karan's sister. And third, their parents. Third one for their parents. So, in Karan's house, there are 3 bedrooms. One is for Karan And second is for the Meenu. Meenu is Karan's sister. And third one is for their parents. And each bedroom has bathroom. Okay, each bedroom has a bathroom. So how many bathrooms are there? 3. In 3 bedrooms or 3 bathrooms. Okay. And the drawing room is big. So the drawing room is big. So in Karan's house there is a drawing room and it is big. The guests sit in the drawing room. So the guests sit in the drawing room. Next to the drawing room is the dining room. So in Karan's house there is a drawing room and it is big, and next to the drawing room is a dining room. In dining room has a dining table with 4 chairs around it. The drawing room is big and the guests sit in the drawing room. Next to the drawing room is a dining room. In dining room there is a dining table and it has a 4 chairs around it. Okay. In dining table with a 4 chair around it. Okay. The kitchen is at the back of the house. So the kitchen is at the back of the house. It is small but clean. So kitchen is placed on the back side of the house and it is small. It's a small kitchen but it is clean. Okay. Karan's parents cook food in the kitchen. Okay. So Karan's parents cook food in the kitchen. Okay. So this is the story about Karan and Meenu. So it's discuss about the home. Okay. In Karan and Meenu's home there is a garden. Okay. Listen. In Karan and Meenu's home there is a garden. Where is it placed? In front of the house. Okay. And trees. In Karan's house 2 tall trees. How many trees? 2. One left side and one right side. And Karan loves the gardening and he waters the plants every day. Okay. And in Karan's house there are 3 bedrooms. Okay, bedrooms. How many bedrooms? 3. One for Karan, second for the Meenu. Meenu, who is Meenu? Karan's sister. And third for their parents. And each bedroom has bathrooms. Each bedroom has bathroom. How many bathroom? 3. Okay, each bedroom has bathroom. Okay. And in Karan's house there is a drawing room. Next one. Drawing room. And it is big. And in drawing room the guests sit. Okay. And close to the drawing room there is a dining room, and dining room has dining table with 4 chairs. And in Karan house there is a kitchen. Where is the kitchen place? Back side of the house. It is small, clean. The kitchen is small but it is clean. And in kitchen what we do? Cooking food. Okay, cooking. The Karan's parents cook their food in kitchen. Okay. And we discuss the Karan and Meenu's home. Okay, these are the rooms. Bedroom, bathroom, drawing room, dining room, kitchen. And there is a garden. Okay, clear? Clear it? What is in front of Karan house? Do you know that? Yes, in front of Karan house there is a garden. Garden in front of Karan house. Where does Meenu sleep? And we can sleep. We use the bedrooms for sleeping. How many bedrooms? 3 bedrooms. Okay, how many bathroom? 3 bathroom. And where do Meenu and Karan's parents cook food? In kitchen. You can use the kitchen to cook food. It is small kitchen but it is clean. Okay. And where do the guests sit? As the guests sit in the drawing room. Okay. The drawing room is big. Okay. And we have where we eat food? In dining room. Dining room. There is a dining table and it has 4 chairs around the dining table. Clear? How many trees in Karan house? 2 tall trees. One is on the left side and one is for the right side. Left, right side. Okay. Clear? I hope that all of you understood and read the lesson carefully for the next class. Thank you.